That's beautiful. That's okay. So now I've got all my white strips, and I'm going to apply those to the front of the kitchen cabinet. Here we go. And then finally we got two stop blocks in the rear of the drawer. The cabinet is secured now, not perfectly, still got more to do, but I have to remove it one last time hopefully. But now I can put these side boxes in. That's one. And then I got my finish box that fits in here, and that's where the cooktop, the induction cooktop, will come. Hello, Joey. Yeah? Good guy, yeah? I don't know whether it shows on the video, but there's a lot of space. This is the kitchen cabinet. All the doors, of course, still have to be installed, but that's something I'll do at a later time. That's a shower. The closet is on the right. Then you got the sink area here. And my cooktop will be an induction cooktop that will be below the countertop. So I'll have a butcher block or just a cover. The kitchen cabinet is getting there. I installed it still temporarily because I still have to finish the drain line towards the grey water tank underneath. And still have to do the electric cable. So there's still a lot of work to do, but it's looking good. My first impression, especially with the bed up, that there's well, everything is relative, of course, but there's a lot of space available here, living space. Just to explain, the kitchen cabinet, I'll have a sliding drawer here as well as one over there, either for storage or maybe some pots and pans. We'll find out how that works out. I may get a small pull drawer here at the top, maybe for some knives or forks or whatever. That's all open, but that's something I'll do later on. The sink will be out here, and I'll have a water heater, a small electric water heater in here. At the bottom I got my, yeah, you can stay, and that's okay, that's okay. Got my shower drawer. That's still has to get some connections, so I'll get back to that too. Joey. And I got my cooktop location hidden beneath the countertop with a cover over it. And of course I still have, this is something I'm holding up the bed with, but this is my closet, of course. This is the rear. This is all covered. I'll be putting in a cover here too. Then here at the right, these batteries are going to be. Hi, Joey. Hi. These batteries will be replaced by lithium batteries, and these batteries will be between this cabinet and the wheel well and a little bit forward. And then in this area, this closet area that I'll have here, I'll place all my electric equipment, the solar controller and all the stuff that's needed to make the solar work. So I don't know whether anybody has noticed, but I'm going to tell you a small secret, which won't be a big secret anymore, but this is the cooktop area. I made it in such a way that I can remove this box And then I have an extra storage area underneath, which is more or less hidden, my sort of secret compartment. I can put in maybe a small laptop, but at least some papers or maybe some money or whatever, and nobody will know. Well, now they will, but I might have some other areas that I didn't show. Okay. I hope you all like it this way, and if you have any comments or suggestions, please let me know on the website or on YouTube. Take care. Joey knows he's supposed to stay inside the van while I'm working, but now he's making some escape plans. And he jumps out here, and then he gets back into the picture and make a full escape. And if you watch in the left, you see him enter the picture again, cross the street. Luckily there's hardly any traffic there, but he made a full escape. Took me about 15 minutes to get him back. Hi guys, this is Joey and we're building a one-of-a-kind RV. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. If you enjoyed the video, give us a like and subscribe, or better yet, leave a comment. Thanks guys. You've done a good job.